The 6th edition of the Bamenda One Peace and Unity Tournament has officially closed with the finals of the senior men's category played on Sunday, August 31, 2025 at the Bamenda Proximity Stadium in Bamenda, full to capacity. After about 2 months of competition, Bujong United overpowered Atungola FC on post-match penalties after a 90-minute goalless finals. The competition, under the patronage of Dr. Tanifom Peter, also had contributions from the Bamenda City Council, the President of the Cameroon National Youth Council for the Northwest Region, the Douala Port Authorities, amongst others. The Mayor of Bamenda One Council shares his satisfaction at the end of the tournament.
I had a very strong and vibrant organizing committee that were very technical, and they had all the expertise to organize this competition. If you look at it, it was more than a professional league, more than even a league one in the country. It was a unique one this year because we finished up with this synthetic turf, we played there, and we equally have teams that came from Yaoundé, from Douala, and from Boya that participated in this competition.
He used the opportunity to announce that more works are expected on the Proximity Stadium.
The next step now with this stadium, I will equally still thank UNDPA because they've already made finances 500 million for us to complete the stadium, to build more tribunes, and to build a multi-sport center. And we will equally use this stadium to train the young ones here so that we can get professional footballers from this subdivision. Why not? The next Eto and the next Messi will come from Bamenda One.
School fees, bags, books, pen, pencils were handed over to some ball pickers, this to help facilitate their 2025-2026 school year. In the Under-17 football tournament, Zone 8 FC match winners, Bangshe Veteran won in the veteran football category, and in the senior men's football, Bujong United back home the trophy.